Another rainy day today. I don't really want to camp in this weather, so I'm gonna see if there's a hotel further up. It's been so hard to find a camp spot today because it's been so windy. Like everywhere I've tried has just been way too exposed and everything got blown away. But I think I found like a decent enough spot here that's kind of flat, got a little bit of shelter from the wind, so I think we'll go for here. It's been a weird day today, man. Like, I've been fighting against the wind all day, but then, oh man, oh no, and then sometimes it just stops. I think if this tent survives this night, it's going to be a miracle. The wind is so violent. It's like someone's picked up the tent, shaking it around from side to side. Yeah, I'm not going to get any sleep tonight. Peg the tent down and then put like 4 or 5 big boulders around each. Oh my god, it's getting worse. It's actually picked me up, picked the entire tent up. Like lifted me up. I don't know if I can do this. I don't know what other options I've got. None really. Like I wouldn't even be able to pack it up and like move to another place. Because oh my god, I've never experienced anything like it. Oh man, my tent is done, that's it. It's all over. Oh my god, it is absolutely wild, man. I had to pack everything up and to walk like 5 kilometers back the way past a church, and I was going to head there and see if I could like shelter in the church, but I couldn't even walk with my bike. I found this like bus stop that's decent shelter, so I'm just going to stay here for the night. Alright, so this is my bed for tonight. I've got to say, these 4 walls are such better shelter than my tent. My tent is absolutely destroyed. And yeah, this is a decent bus stop. It's like, it doesn't have that much of a draft. So yeah, hopefully it'll be alright to stay here tonight. So that's the sun starting to come up now. I better get up.
feel so lucky to have found this bus stop last night. Like, it's amazing how much we take for granted having 4 walls as shelter. There's so much more showered in here than it was in my tent, so yeah, pretty lucky.
So the last 3 days have just been a constant battle with the wind, and yeah, it really got the better of me. The first 2 days, last night violated me in my tent, and this morning was just absolutely brutal. But I pushed for, I think I'm about 10-12 kilometers away from the city. The sun's just about to go down. I don't know, I'll probably need to ride a little bit after dark, but won't be too long. Today the weather is much better, so it's nice now. But yeah, when I was speaking to the girl at reception when I checked into my hostel last night, she was telling me that the last people she knew that cycled that road, one of them got blown off their bike and broke her collarbone and like broke all her face, had to get airlifted to hospital. So I think I got off quite lightly with a broken tent and a lost hat. I think that's quite a good return for riding that road in the high winds. Everything is old and beautiful and expensive.